We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace and reset your drum on a Brother L5200dw. So, press the button right here to open your front hatch. Pull this little lever right here. And then you want to release the toner from the drum. So you're going to press this green button right here. So it separates the toner, then your drum. Put your toner to the side, unbox your new drum, get it out, stick your old toner in with your new drum, right where you released it. Once you hear it click, you know it's in. And then you want to take your drum unit and move this little tab along the side once or twice, and then make sure it's back in its locking position. It'll click, so then you know it's in there. Put your drum back into the printer. And then don't shut the front cover yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit OK, hold it down, and it says drum unit, hit OK, reset, you hit up. So you're going to hit the up arrow, and then it says accepted. Shut your front cover, then your drum will reset. And then your printer should initialize. If you guys are having issues with your drum, it may be time to put your printer in for a service. Or if you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.